The best way to trade these markets is by following price action. And what is price action? Price action is seeing exactly what is happening in the market before you trigger that buy or that sell on your phone or computer. So right now, I'm looking at EURUSD. EURUSD is trending higher in the short term. Although the bigger time frames show that we have a dominant downtrend, but looking at what is happening right now, we have a short-term uptrend. How do you determine the short-term uptrend? If we can look at my euro, it bounced from a support region of 1.09900. It moved ahead, moved above 1.0700 and came to test it as new support. And now we are seeing EURUSD try to bounce from 1.1108. At the same time, that area coincides with key moving averages, the 8, the 20, and the 200. So we can say we are in an area of value. So this bounce this morning shows that we are bouncing from an area of serious value, an area of value. Also, when you look at last week on Thursday, we had a candle that looked like a doji that showed indecision. Friday came, we had NFP, by the way, and it gave us a bullish engulfing. So we got a bullish engulfing signal on Friday. So today we see buyers keeping up with the bullish momentum. At the same time, the NFP data released on Friday was quite weak, so the dollar is expected to be weak. That's why Euro bulls are still in the driving seat. Way forward, the euro, I see the euro rallying from right here, moving to the 1.1175, and perhaps if this region is broken, we shall move to the 1.12. A break above 1.12 will see this thing trade even much higher in this year 2020. EURUSD has been quite indecisive for a bigger part of last year. So I think it will take euro to break this top resistance or to break these lower support regions for it to break free. But as for now, I am bullish the pair and targeting 1.12. As for now, that's how it will stay. I would advise someone, if you're taking such an entry, when you buy and you go in some bit of profits, lock your profits or break even so that you learn to run risk-free trades. At the same time, practice good risk management and you'll enjoy trading. Enjoy your day. I'll be looking forward to share with you more pairs as I see them materialize. Thank you.